Alright guys, so let's talk about something really cool. Okay, let's talk about HTML entities. And what are HTML entities, my friend? HTML entities are basically HTML codes. Make sense? So let me give you a quick example of what an entity is right here. So let's take for instance, um, you want to insert the copyright symbol, okay, to your website. The copyright symbol is usually is a circle, then a C with a C in it. So that's the copyright symbol. And if you take a look at your keyboard, you can't find the copyright symbol. You can't enter the copyright symbol through your keyboard. You see? So what do you do, my friend? That's where HTML entities come in. Make sense? So let's do something right here. So let's say for instance, let me put copyright here. So I'll say copyright. Then I'll enter the symbol. How do I enter the symbol, my friend? I will enter the symbol with code. And the code is this. And copy with a semicolon in front of it. That's the code for the copyright symbol. You'll see that in a minute. Copyright 2017. 2017. Then alright reserve. Then okay, copyright 2017. I'll say my first website. My friend, you figure it out. You figure it out. You use your own English, my friend. I'm just showing you. I'm showing you an example right here. Make sense? So let's save it and preview it. So let's refresh it. Guys, you see? Now we now have copyright 20. You see the symbol? The copyright symbol. That was the code we enter, which is this one, my friend. Okay, that's that's the code for copyright symbol. Make sense? So copyright 2017, my first website. Then alright reserve. But if you take a look at something here, my friend. Look at if you view this our notepad web page. Okay, we actually created a new line by pressing the enter key on the keyboard. But here it's not reflecting here. Okay, so it's not starting from a new line here. So how do you bring how do you create a new paragraph? Okay, how do you bring a new paragraph into your web page? My friend, this is how you do it. Because no matter how much space you give it and save it, let's save it and see. Still, this will not fall into a different line. It will still remain on the same line. So you use HTML entities to separate it and create new paragraphs for yourself. So let's do this. So to create a new paragraph, you open with the p tag as paragraph, then here, okay, you close the paragraph. Okay, so let's save it now and see. You see? So now it's now on a new line because of the HTML entities. Make sense? So you can just go to Google, just type HTML entities. You'll see lots and lots and lots of code, my friend. Okay, you see lots and lots and lots of code. So let me show you one more thing. Let's say, for instance, you are on your website, you are trying to teach people, okay, and you want to enter something like this, p tag, okay. Let's say for instance, you are teaching people something on your website, and you want to show them what to use the p tag for, my friend. This will not reflect on the web browser. So let's save it down. Let's save, then let's refresh. As you can see, the p tag is not appearing. Look at the p tag here. This p is not appearing anywhere here. So what do you do? How do you do this, my friend? Here's what to do. You use HTML entities, okay, and here's how you do it. And less than, makes sense? Then colon, then you clean this one. Then you also enter and greater than semicolon. So let's save it now. Then let's refresh this, my friend. So as you can see, it is appearing now. My friend, if this stuff is making sense to you, I'll really, I'll be glad if you let me know. And if you're not clear with anything, I recommend you watch this thing over and over and over again. I promise you, you will get this right. So, with that being said, my friend, that's all about the HTML entities. You can just go to Google and search for HTML entities. You'll see tons and tons and tons of codes. Make sense? So, that's all with the HTML entities. And meet me in the next video, my friend. I'll teach you something really, really awesome.